Martin Lappin with Alternative Heating Solutions. We'll be replacing the nozzle in my G200 today. And I just popped the top off of the crate that Santa sent me. And I've never seen anything packaged like this. Actually, pretty impressed with it. Of course, I also know they've tried shipping these just regular UPS and they usually end up getting broke. So yeah, had to go all Captain Caveman on the crate. And you can tell, here's what the new nozzle would look like once installed. And here, what this one looks like at the moment. I don't know if this will show up, but the top's getting eroded down to the point where it's almost to the holes in the side of it. And it's been running just fine. The biggest issue I've been having is I've noticed a lot bigger coals finding their way to the bottom into the reaction chamber. And you really got to be careful when you put that first split in over the nozzle to make sure it fits reasonably snug, or the coals are just disappearing before they ever get a chance to make new ones. So then I'm getting quite a bit of smoke on the first cycle or two. Both halves of the actual nozzle removed. And I went ahead and took out the lower refractory too, just so it could accidentally drop something and break them. And these are getting a little wear. You can see, well, that one there got a little chip out of the corner. And when I put that back in, I'll just stuff a wad of a ceramic blanket right there. You know, it's not really that critical. Technically, you could run these without the blocks. You just need to put quite a bit of ash under the nozzle to protect the floor of the stove. And you can see that that one's cracked, but it's got, much like you'd put fiberglass and regular cement, these are cast with basically stainless steel needles mixed in to act like the fiberglass and regular cement. And you can see that there's definitely wear compared to the new half. See a little crack starting there. Same way on the other one. And you can see here, that's where one of the stainless needles was. It's burned away. These loose. All I did was took my trusty old coal stoker poker here, stuck it down in there and just gave it a sharp jerk, and it come out. If you have the older style, which this is for a 2015 G100 with the straight sides, that sits down on a lip. And for that, you probably will have to remove the refractory out of the reaction chamber and put a hydraulic jack or even a small floor jack in here under the nozzle to lift it up. If you have one with the newer taper style, they come out easy. And before I start installing the new, I'm going to go get the 20-volt drill, chuck a wire brush it, make sure that's clean, and this is clean where the air tubes are, because if they don't seat fully, the center section of the nozzle is not going to fit properly. You can see here, this has numerous years of use on it. The 409 is still shiny yet. And this has run, I put it in January 2017, it ran that winter. It's run 2017, 2018, 2018, 2019, and here it is a few days away from 2020. You're just not going to get this kind of longevity out of mild steel. And the next half of this video will show you how to reassemble it. This has been Martin Lappin with Alternative Heating Solutions. The women don't find you handsome, at least they can find you handy.